It's fall time. Time to clean up these beautiful leaves. We know blowers work, but I'm gonna show you something you might not have thought of. Using a power washer. Let's do this.
Okay, I know what you're thinking, but hear me out. If your leaf blower is broken, or maybe you just don't have one that's powerful enough, your pressure washer has all the force you need to get the job done. You're basically using the water like a high-powered broom. But here's the one and only trick you really need to know. Don't try to push the leaves too far at once. They'll soak up the water, get incredibly heavy, and you'll just end up making mud. The key is to work in smaller sections, pushing them into manageable piles before moving on.
One thing you can't do with the power washer though.
So there you have it. It might not be conventional, and it won't lift a volleyball.
Okay, place your bets. You ready? It's so cool.
But using a pressure washer is a surprisingly effective way to wrangle your leaves in a pinch. Just remember to work in sections, and you'll have the yard cleared out in no time.